behind the lines in 3, 2, 1, go.
Match number 18 gets underway. Mismatched cargo goes airborne. Will slightly favor blue here on this cycle in the top of the center hub. Red Alliance, though, coming back here at the end of the autonomous period as Team 70 there out of Michigan. That's more Martians scooping up several pieces of cargo. Is it enough for the quintet? That's a yes on blue and a no on red as your score becomes 24-22 and drivers take the controls. All 6 machines mobile here in the driver-controlled period. Bottom center of the field, 4188 out of Georgia. That's Columbus Space Program scooping up the first blue cargo they can find. 1 and 2, count them. That's 4 points of Alliance score going up early for blue. Blue Alliance leads by now 12 as a barrage of red cargo goes in. It starts sealing up the deal. 10 points rather of cargo scored in that cycle. Quite a barrage. They do still trail by 4, but it's closing up quite quickly. A little bit of a traffic jam in the top of the field, as we'll see Hyperion here out of Quebec trying to find anywhere to drive. No cargo in that robot, just mashing around as they jam right into that Red Alliance machine of the strike zone. Strike zone wanders off, collects 2 pieces of cargo from the top right corner of the field. They'd like to find a place to lay them up and convert the score, but there's going to be a lot of blue robots aiming to stop that strategy. They are unsuccessful as both they and their Alliance partners, more Martians, are able to fire off both pieces of cargo in their respective machines and get a 4-point total cycle. Both Alliances scooping up their bonus rank point here in qualification match number 18 for cargo. 45 seconds left to play, still anybody's game. Red trails by 8. 80-33 here, relatively young team over on red. Out of Piedmont, California, that's Highlander Robotics scooping up their 4 points towards the Red Alliance total. Very small, little, and mighty machine as they zoom off to the bottom right corner of the field, finding whatever red cargo they can. Just one in the robot, launches it, 2 points, they're good. They'll come play cleanup here while their Alliance partners start climbing up the hangar zone. Martians airborne for 10 on the high rung. Their Alliance partners, oh, and they hit the ground. That was strike zone hitting the ground there. Blue Alliance, 1 traversal and 1 high rung will be the story there in the hangar zone. Our fallen robot recovers and gets back in the air. Looks like a 21-point, 127-119, a 4-2 rank point split once more. Even all 4 rank points is sometimes not enough to hold a spot on a leaderboard, as we'll see our first downward shift in our top 8. They're high tide moving from 3rd to 5th, but still not a bad place to be.